Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening another Drape Fit box. If you did not see my last unboxing, it didn't go well. I was not very happy with it. I was not impressed and I didn't keep anything, but I'm not one to just have a one and done experience. I like to give second chances. So I'm excited to open this box up and see if it can be a little bit better than last time. I went into my profile, I upped my prices, I gave my stylist some more feedback, and I really tried to make sure that I was giving them as much information as humanly possible so that I'm setting them up for success, even though that's what I thought I was doing the first time, but that's okay. I'm super excited to dive in. I did want to say I tried a new makeup routine today and I don't like it. So I'm sorry for what's going on up here. I'm not loving it. And I'm not feeling super confident, and I think that's probably going to show through in a lot of these clothes. So I'm just going to try my best to make sure that how I'm feeling on the inside is not reflected in the outfits. But my idea of good quality fashion is things that can make you feel confident even on the days that you're not feeling your best. So Drape Fit definitely has a challenge, but I'm excited to dive in. I also did want to say they did give me a, I guess, influencer discount. So I only had to pay $1 for this box. So just full transparency there. And then they did give me a $20 gift card last time, which I didn't use. So maybe I'll get to do that this time, but let's go ahead and open this up. When we open it, we do have the beautiful Drape Fit tissue paper. So on the inside, you do get a return mailer to send back anything you don't like or don't want. And then you do get this little booklet here. Is this another? I guess I have another $20 gift card. Okay, I mean, that's so nice of them. I really do appreciate that. So hopefully this time I find something that I like. And then we have a bunch of little pamphlets and flyers. I think this is all the same stuff as last time. And then this is all of the items and the prices. Let's see the clothes. So we have our little bundle here. I'm already seeing some patterns I don't love, but I'm gonna be open. I like to be proven wrong sometimes. So let's see, we'll start with the thing that I'm noticing, and it is this kind of animal print, leopard. This is not really my vibe. It's kind of like ruched, and it's a t-shirt. I'm not the biggest fan of the print, and also the color is not great for my skin tone, so I don't think that this will be something for me. I'm also noticing that it says hand wash cold water, and hand washing does not happen very often in this house. So I think that one's gonna be a no, but we'll try it on anyways. Then we have some jewelry, which comes in this plastic bag. It looks like it was attached and now it's just in the bottom of the bag. Okay. Oh, it's so tangled. This, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get this untangled. Took me a bit, but we did it. This is what we are looking at. So it is a triple layer necklace that has kind of this like paper clip chain, and then it has these big pearls with kind of a circular charm, and then more of a thin kind of oval charm, teardrop. I don't hate this. It's not really my style, so I think this is probably gonna be a no for me, but that's okay. I also can totally tell that somebody had this before me because it's completely opened and you can tell that it was, you know, stuck back together and not well. So hopefully at least the next person that gets it after me gets it a little bit less tangled. Okay, then we have something that is super, super soft. And this is, oh, okay. So this is a cutout long sleeve shirt. I'm not really the biggest fan of this cutout. I do have one Halara top that has this kind of cutout, and it's a workout shirt, and I feel like for that purpose I actually like it because, you know, boobs sweat, and I like getting to have something that kind of keeps me a little bit cooler. But for just a regular shirt, it's not really my style, so we'll see what this looks like on, but probably gonna be a no. Oh dear, are these pants? Okay. I have to say, the stitching on these, okay. All right. So these are a pair of skinny jeans from YMI. The stitching on these, y'all, is not good. And these are just some skinny pants. They're kind of like a cream color, like basically my skin tone, which not great. So that's not exciting, but we'll try it. And then we have something in here that I actually think this could be kind of pretty. This is a very like bohemian shirt. I actually think this could be kind of pretty on. I like this print. This color it could be a little light for me, but it's definitely not showing through on camera as white as it is. It's definitely looking a little bit pinker, but it has some kind of ruched sleeves, and then it's just really flowy on the bottom and has some kind of loose frilly detail at the top here. I think this could be really, really pretty on, and it has some like nice buttons down the front. Okay, I think this could be really good. So let me turn the camera around and I will try all of this on. Okay, so I went ahead and put on these jeans and this leopard shirt. I feel like it looks like a maternity shirt, and it totally could be, which is not what I'm in the market for at this point in my life. And then we have these jeans. I can't even really say jeans because they're definitely like jeggings. These pockets aren't real. The back ones are, but the front ones are not. And they are see-through to where you can see the tag. So I am wearing nude underwear, so you can't see that, but you can see just about everything else. And then, like I said, they are skinny on the bottom. You know, these are a no. These are a no for me. Okay, then we have this shirt. I am just wearing a regular bra underneath. So this isn't really working too well. It's also just kind of loose, so it doesn't quite fit right. This is just, it just is strange and it fits weirdly, so it looks extra weird. You know, otherwise, yeah, it's just a no, and that's okay. Next one. Okay, so then we have this shirt, which in its current form is kind of giving me pirate for Halloween vibes, which isn't really my thing, but that's okay. I like this shirt a lot, actually. I think it's really, really cozy. It's actually a very nice neckline, in my opinion. The sleeves are definitely a little bit on the long side, but that's kind of how I like them. And because it is kind of smocked, you can pull them up. And I actually really like how it drapes like this. So that's probably how I'd wear it. And then I do like this kind of rounded hemline here at the bottom. I would most likely probably kind of like half tuck it with a pair of jeans. Probably something kind of like this. I think this is pretty cute, honestly. I think this is something that I can see myself getting a lot of use out of. It's starting to get warmer and I could use some more shirts. I don't think it's gonna be the highest quality, but honestly, depending on the price, I feel like it's something that I could get some good use out of. So, you know, let's recap. All right, well, you know, that wasn't quite what I was hoping for, but let's go ahead and see if prices are at least reflective of what we saw. So first we'll start off with these pants, which as I was taking them off, reminded me of the store Papaya, which, don't get me wrong, I used to love Papaya. All throughout college, I found some hidden gems in that store, and I actually still have a lot of those pieces. But the quality is not great, and these definitely remind me of something that you could get there. They're kind of that starchy but stretchy material. I hate them. And these are $28.50. Okay, yep, that's correct. That fits. That checks out for sure. Then we have this necklace. This is the pearl long necklace, and this is $19.99. This reminds me of something I would have bought from Forever 21 in middle school for like $4 or $5. So, meh. Then we have this. This is the women animal printed top. This is $28.50. No. I think that's reasonable. I do think that's reasonable for the shirt that you're getting. I just don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay. Then we have the cutout crew neck top. This is also $28.50. So that seems to be their kind of pricing of choice. And then we have this is the floral woven top. And this is $29.99. So I was pretty iffy about this. And when I am iffy about an article of clothing, I will ask my boyfriend for his opinion, because the man does not hide how he feels. And he told me that I looked like a woman from the 1800s, and that something just looked off. It's unique, but not in a good way, were his words. So I'm gonna hold off on this one, because that's not how I want to feel. I don't want to feel unique in not a good way from the 1800s. So this is going to be my second box of 0 out of 5, right? We got 5? Yeah, we got 5. I have to say I'm pretty disappointed yet again. I mean, you saw at the beginning of the video, I was talking about how I went in, I updated my profile, I upped my pricing, I gave them more feedback, and I really just don't feel like that was heard. I do really want to try them again. I so badly want this to be good, because I think this price range is really good for so many people, and I can see the potential. As much as I don't like these pieces, they're a lot closer to my style than anything that we got in the last box. So this is promising for me. I'm hoping that this could end up at least being a box where I can give them specifics of this is what I need, I have this event, I have this meeting, blah, 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 and that they can kind of run with it. So I have a couple events coming up towards the end of April that I need some specific items for. So I'm gonna try them again, see if maybe we can get something a little bit better. I'll keep y'all in the loop on that, but I would love to hear your feedback about these pieces. And if you yourself have a Drape Fit subscription, how it has been going for you. If you've noticed any tips or tricks or things that are making your experience better, definitely let me know, because I love to do everything I can to make this a success. I'm sorry this was not the most upbeat video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it has been a nice, peaceful break for you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and I hope you have a killer day in the meantime. Bye! Not intended for children 12 and under. What does being 12 have to do with wearing jewelry? Like, how, when you just turn 13, do you just become, you're good with jewelry now? You know? 12 and 13-year-old me were not that different. She was ugly, but